Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing video and teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, today's Friday, and this ends this full week of classic cartoon characters from the Warner Brothers. And this one, as you know, is Elmer J. Fudd. He's such a classic character when he plays around with Bugs Bunny and with Daffy Duck. So, as I always say, is check out my step 1, step 2, and step 3, and look very carefully in how I take the pencils and the technique. It's very rough, very rough, the first and second one. And the third one, I come in with a little bit more tightness and detail. So just take it easy and relax and have fun when you're practicing drawing, and sketch. I can't emphasize that more. That's the whole purpose of all these lessons, so that you can become a better artist. All right. So if you have some paper and you have a pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.